Many investors are interested in starting a waste-to-oil business because pyrolysis technology can transform waste materials into valuable products, such as fuel oil, carbon black, and recyclable materials. However, before investing in a pyrolysis plant, there are several important factors you need to understand. Buying a machine is not the first step. A successful pyrolysis project requires stable raw material supply, local product market, government approvals, correct equipment selection, and accurate investment calculation. In this video, we will explain everything you need to know before starting a pyrolysis business. The first and most important step is identifying your raw material. Different waste materials require different processing technologies and have different final products. Common materials suitable for pyrolysis include 1. Waste tires and rubber. Waste tires are one of the most common pyrolysis materials. The process can recover pyrolysis oil, carbon black, steel wire. Typical applications include industrial fuel, carbon black recycling, metal recycling. 2. Waste plastic. Common suitable plastics include PP, PE, PS, HDPE. However, not all plastics are suitable. PVC and PET are generally not recommended because they may create additional environmental treatment challenges. Plastic pyrolysis can produce fuel oil, wax. 3. Oil sludge. Oil sludge is generated from oil refineries, petroleum storage tanks, oil production sites. Through pyrolysis, valuable oil components can be recovered. 4. Waste lubricating oil. Used engine oil and industrial lubricants can be processed through distillation technology. The final products can include recovered fuel oil, base oil. After selecting your raw material, the next question is, can you get enough waste every day? This is one of the most important factors determining project success. For example, a 10 tons per day pyrolysis plant requires approximately 3,000 tons of raw materials per year. Before investing, you should investigate: where does the waste come from? How much waste is available? What is the purchase price? How far is the transportation distance? For first-time investors, we usually recommend starting with 5-10 tons per day capacity. This allows you to test raw material supply, production process, local market acceptance. Producing oil is only one part of the business. The most important question is, who will buy your products? Pyrolysis oil with proper treatment can be used as industrial fuel. Potential customers include cement factories, industrial boiler plants, asphalt plants, marine fuel suppliers, brick factories. For example, fuel oil with sulfur content around 501,000 parts per million can be used in many industrial applications. Before starting the project, always research your local market. After confirming raw materials and product markets, you can start planning your factory. For a 5-10 tons per day project, we usually recommend land area, 801,500 square meters. The workshop should be semi-closed or fully enclosed, equipped with storage areas, equipped with safety systems. Depending on your country, you may need environmental approval, building approval, fire safety approval, waste handling permits. During the approval process, authorities may request process flow diagram, equipment information, oil testing report, environmental protection information. The equipment cost depends on several factors, including processing capacity, automation level, environmental standards, material selection. For example, some countries have stricter emission requirements, which require upgraded environmental systems. Some customers prefer higher automation, such as automatic feeding, automatic discharge, PLC control systems. For a 5-10 tons per day project, the equipment investment is usually around $35,000, $80,000. The final price depends on the specific configuration. Besides equipment investment, investors also need to consider daily operating costs. Labor. Normally, 2 working shifts per day. Each shift, 2-3 workers. Electricity. The equipment mainly uses recycled, non-condensable gas generated during pyrolysis. Electricity consumption is relatively low, approximately 100 kilowatt hours per day. Heating fuel. During startup, external heating is required for the first several hours. Taking fuel oil as an example, approximately 150-300 liters per day. Heating sources can include Fuel oil, natural gas, biomass pellets. If customers do not want to use recycled gas directly, a gas storage system can also be customized.
After collecting all information, you can calculate your investment return. You need to calculate revenue, fuel oil selling price, carbon black price, steel recycling value, costs, waste purchase cost, labor cost, electricity, fuel consumption, transportation, maintenance. Then calculate daily profit, monthly profit, payback period. A successful pyrolysis business is not only about buying a machine. It requires reliable waste supply, stable product demand, proper technology, and professional project planning. Before investing, make sure you understand your local conditions and calculate your business model carefully. If you are planning to start a waste-to-oil project, contact us for a professional project evaluation.